Using jet fuel in a car that is designed to run on gasoline or diesel can have serious consequences and is strongly discouraged. Here's what would likely happen if you were to use jet fuel in your car. Engine damage. Jet fuel has different properties compared to regular automotive fuel. Most cars are not built to handle the specific characteristics of jet fuel, such as its higher octane rating and lower lubricity. This can lead to engine damage, including increased wear and tear, reduced performance, and potential engine failure. Fuel system problems. Jet fuel may not be compatible with the fuel system components in your car, such as fuel lines, injectors, and seals. These components are designed to work with gasoline or diesel fuel, and using jet fuel could cause them to degrade or malfunction, leading to leaks or fuel system failures. Combustion issues. Jet fuel has a higher flash point and different combustion characteristics compared to regular automotive fuel. This means that it may not burn efficiently in a car engine designed for gasoline or diesel, resulting in incomplete combustion, reduced power output, and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Legal issues. It is illegal in most countries to use jet fuel as a substitute for automotive fuel in regular cars. Doing so could lead to legal consequences, including fines and penalties. In summary, using jet fuel in a car designed for gasoline or diesel can lead to engine damage, fuel system problems, combustion issues, and legal trouble. It is crucial to always use the appropriate fuel type recommended by the manufacturer for your vehicle.